Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic playing with numbers, grade 6 chapter 2. My today's topic is highest common factor, in short we call HCF, or greatest common divisor, in short GCD. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with today's topic, that is HCF, highest common factor. So the factors of 18, already this we have done in the earlier video. So how to find out factors of 18, 1 and the number itself. Then start with table of 2, 2 9s are 18, then table of 3, 3 6s are 18, table of 4, 18 doesn't come, table of 5, 18 doesn't come, table of 6, 6 3s are 18. So already we have written over there. Now the factors will start repeating, so you can stop your process here. You can stop process of finding factors over here, that is more better. Now the factors of 24, same way, 1 and the number itself are the factors of each and every number. Then table of 2, 2 12s are 24. Then table of 3, 3 8s are 24. Table of 4, 4 6s are 24. Table of 5, 24 doesn't come. Table of 6, 6 4s are 24. Already we have written over here. So stop searching for the other factors. Now common factors, what are the common factors over here? So here you can see that 1 1, this is common, 2 2, this is common, 3 3, so this is common, 6 and 6, again this is common. So 4 factors are common between 18 and 24, so those are 1 2 3 6. And since here we are searching for highest common factor, so which is the highest factor over here? 6. So HCF of 18 and 24 will be 6. This method always we do when we start this HCF concept, but higher classes this method is not useful. So now 18 is divisible by 6 and 24 is also divisible by 6. So this HCF we got. So the number 18 is also divisible by 6 and 24 is also divisible by 6. So we can say that HCF divides the numbers exactly. What is the meaning of exactly over here? When we will divide, your remainder will be 0. So HCF divides the numbers exactly. Now what are the keywords we use in word problem to find out, we are supposed to find out HCF? The words you will get in the word problem is longest, greatest and maximum. I'm taking one more word with this. So longest step, what is the length of the longest step? What is the greatest length of the ribbon? What is the maximum capacity of the tank or maximum capacity of the bottle? So if such type of words are there in the word problem, it means in that word problem we are supposed to find HCF of the given number. Now commonly used method to find out HCF. So we have prime factorization method. Initially we start with prime factorization method, then continued division method. This method is more useful in higher classes, and the third one is common division method. This method is also easy. So one by one I will explain you all the three methods. This is my grade 6 chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. I have made 16 videos, 16 different subtopics related with knowing our numbers, and link is given in the description. Part 1 link is given in the description. Other videos link is given in the part 1 video. So let us continue. Find HCF of 12 and 18. So first we will do by prime factorization method. So here we will write down the number 12. Here we will use the divisibility test concept. So this 2 is divisible by 2, or just one more thing you can make here checklist. Always making checklist is important. So you can write down here 2 3 5 7 11. We don't require more than that, so let us check. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now let me take the second one. Before that, let me erase this. Yeah. So let us start with the second one. Second number is 18. So 2 nines are 18. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 threes are 9, and then 3 ones are 3. Why I'm asking you to make the checklist? If you are not making checklist, many students they divide 9 ones are 9, but 9 is a composite number, then your answer, your sum will be wrong. So always make the checklist and then try to find out. So now we have factors of 12. Prime factors of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Factors of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. We need to find common factor. So this 2 and this 2 is common. This 3 and this 3 is common. So in place of this 2, 1, 2 is there. In place of this 2, 3, 3 is there. Most of the time in your class, your teachers are asking you to make the circle, but when you make the circle the work doesn't look neat and clean. So don't make the circle. In place of circle you can underline the number. That is more better way. So now you can multiply this. So HCF of 2 and 3 is 6. Now same question we will solve by continued division method. So we need to find out of these two which number is smaller. So 12 is smaller. So write down the number as it is. Now we will divide 18 by 12. So 12 ones are 12. How much is left? 6. Now this 6 will become your divisor. That's what the name is given, continued division. We will do the division, we will continue the division till then the remainder is 0. So now forget about this, the upper part, only the earlier divisor we will write down as a dividend over here. Just forget about this upper one part. You can hide with your left hand palm so that you can see just the new part. So again 6 2s are 12. Now your remainder is 0. So when you get the remainder 0, the last divisor, because of that you are getting your remainder 0. That one will be the HCF of given number. So here HCF is 6. Now same thing I will explain you by common division method also. So common division method, with the name itself it is clear, we will do common division for both the numbers. But with this method and another method students may get confused. So if you have any confusion, don't use this method. So here we will try to find out the number by which both the numbers are divisible. So here 2 and here 8, it means this is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Now by which number 6 and 9 both are divisible? These two are divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now these two numbers are not divisible by the common number. So here your HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3, and that is 6. So this is common division method, but many students have confusion with the common division method, with the prime factorization method, and with LCM also. So if any confusion is there, don't go by this method. Most of the time you can use continued division method. That method is more easier than prime factorization method, especially for bigger numbers. So let us take bigger numbers, find HCF of these three numbers. Continued division method is more easy and time saving method. So here I am using continued division method. If three numbers are given, then we divide the sum in two parts. So step 1, we find HCF of any two number. Out of these three you can choose any two number. Whatever HCF is there, with that HCF and the remaining third one number, again we will find out the HCF, and the final HCF will be HCF of given three numbers. Let us start with 63 and 84. Which number is smaller? 63 is smaller. So we will use 63 as a divisor and 84 as a dividend. So most of the time we can divide by ones are or twos are. We don't require big numbers usually. Sometimes we require also. So 63 ones are 63. Just subtract it. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 8 minus 6 will give you 21. Since our remainder is not 0, so this remainder we will consider as a divisor, and earlier divisor we will consider as a dividend. And now forget about this upper one part, just concentrate on 21 and 63. So now recite table of 21. If you don't know, you can make your table in rough column. So 21 2s are 42. So you can take 21 3s are, that is 63. So 21 3s are 63. Your remainder is 0. So remainder is 0. So last divisor is 21. So for this two numbers 63 and 84, your HCF is 21. Now second part, we will take HCF of the earlier HCF and 126. So out of these two number, again your 21 is the smaller number. So consider this as a divisor and 126 as a dividend. So now single number 1, you cannot divide 1 to 12, you cannot divide by 21. So we will take all the three numbers as it is 126. So now 21, how many times you will get 126? Since this is 6, so we can try by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It means you can divide by 6. 21 6 are 126. Your remainder is 0. So the last divisor is 21. So here your HCF is 21, and I said the final answer will be the HCF of all the given numbers. So 21 is the HCF of 63, 84 and 126. Now find HCF of these numbers by prime factorization method. This is your work. Then you can find out which method is more easier for you, prime factorization method or continued division method. Chapter 6, whole numbers. I have made 8 videos on different subtopics. So first link of first part is given in the description, and link of other parts is given in the link in part 1. Now continue with our example. So take again bigger number, find the HCF of 144, 180, 192. So again I have taken two numbers in one step 1, 144 and 180. So 144 is the smaller number, so take as a divisor and then write down 180. So definitely we can divide by 1s are, so 180 minus 144. So 10 minus 4 will give you 6. Now here are the numbers 7. 7 minus 4 will give you 3. 1 minus 1 will be 36. 0. So the number is 36. Now since remainder is not 0, we will consider this as a divisor, and earlier divisor we will consider as a dividend. Now forget about the upper part, we will just go with the lower part. So here the number is 36. So 36, how many times you will get 144? So we can just divide 6 4s are 24, we know. So 4 6s are 24, carry over to 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14, so 144. So we can divide by 4s are 144. So now the HCF is 36 for step 1. Now step 2, we will use the same number 36 and 192. So 36 is the smaller number and 192 is the bigger number. So 36 we will consider as a divisor. Now single number we cannot divide, 2-digit number 19 also we cannot divide by 36. So we will take 3-digit number 192. So 36 we can try by 2s are 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. It's a very small number, so we can take any other number. We can take by we can try by 6. 6 6 are 36, carry over 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. This number is very big, so can we divide by 4? 36 multiplied by 4. So 4 6 are 24, carry over to 4 3 are 12, 13, 14, 144. We can try by one more number. So multiply by 5, 5 6 are 30, carry over 3, 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 3 18. So we can try by 5. So let us take 5 are 180. So this is 2, this is 1 and this is 0. Now since remainder is not 0, so again we will consider this as a divisor and earlier divisor as a dividend. Forget about the upper part, just concentrate for 12 and 36. So 12 3s are 36. Your remainder is 0. So the last divisor is 12. So this will become the HCF of these two numbers, and final HCF is always the HCF for given three numbers. So again, HCF by prime factorization method, just try to find out. This is your work to do. Take one more example, 72 and 120. 72, 120 and 192. So here also we will take this two numbers 72 and 120 at a time. So smaller number is 72, then 120. So how many times we can divide? So let us try 72 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. The number is bigger, so you can divide by 1. So 72 1s are 72, 10 minus 2 will give you 8. Now the number is 1, you cannot subtract, to borrow from here 11, 11 minus 4 will give you 11 minus 7 will give you 4. Now this consider as a divisor and earlier divisor as a dividend. Just a minute, some problem is there. Yeah, I got the cursor now. Yeah, so 78, how many times you can multiply? So 748, 2s will be greater number, so 48 1s are 48. I'm missing my cursor. I think some connectivity issue is there. Just a minute, let me find out again. Yeah, I got it. So okay, so 48 ones are 48. So 12 minus 8 will give you 4. Now here is 6, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 will give you 2. Again 24 we will consider as a divisor, and earlier divisor we will consider as a dividend, and now 24 2s are 48. So last divisor is always your HCF. So HCF of two numbers 72 and 120 is 24. Now we will find out HCF of 24 and the last number 192 remaining number. So again 24 is the smaller number, so we will consider as a divisor, and 192 as a dividend. So now we can try by number. So can we try with 3s are 3 4s are 12, carry over 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. It's a smaller number, so we can try with 5s are 5 4s are 20, carry over 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Again this is a very small number, so can we divide by 8? 8 4s are 32, carry over 3, 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19, 192. So you can divide by 8. So your remainder is 0. So your last divisor is 24. So HCF of these two number is 24, and last HCF is the HCF for all the three given numbers. Now we will do prime factorization. We will find out HCF by prime factorization method. So let us write down the first one, 72. Same numbers I have given. So we will make the checklist over here. So let me make the checklist. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. By writing this, you will learn the prime numbers also. So the number is divisible by 2. So divide by 2. 2, 3s are 6. 1 is left. The next number is 2. 2, 6 are 12. Again, this is divisible by 2. 2, 1s are 2. Remaining is 1. Next number is 6. 16. 2, 8s are 16. Now 2, 9s are 18. Then the number is divisible by 3 now. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now the next number is 120. So again let me make the checklist for 120. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So now the number is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 0, 2 3s are 6, 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, 2 5s are 10. Now the number is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 is a prime number. So it is divisible by 5 1s are 5. Take the last number 192. Again make the checklist for 192 also. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. The number is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. 1 is left. 2 6s are 12. Now again 2 4s are 8. 1 is left. 2 8s are 16. So 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So we have done prime factorization for all the numbers. So the write down for first one 72, then write for 120 and then write down for 192. We are supposed to find out the HCF, means the numbers which is common in all the three numbers. So here you can see that 2 is common, so HCF 2 will be there. This 2 is common in all the three numbers, so write down this 2 also. Now again 1 2 is common all the three numbers, so write down 2 also. Now 3 is common all the three numbers, so write down this 3. This 3 5, these numbers are not common, so we will leave these numbers, we will not use this. So just HCF multiply these numbers and you will get 24. So HCF is 24. So this way you can find out which method is more time saving for you, which method is more easier for you. You can use any method. If method's name is not mentioned in the question paper, find HCF by prime factorization method, find HCF by continued division method. If it is not written, then your choice, otherwise go to the method which is written in the paper. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't like, share and subscribe my video, and also to watch my next video.